In a 1080 meter race, A beats B by 18 seconds and B beats C by 12 seconds. Okay, so in a 1080 meter race, A beats B by 18 seconds, and in the same race, B beats C by 12 seconds. It is given. Instead, had both A and B agreed to give C a head start of 180 meter, then C would have beaten B by 8. This is the first situation. Now this is the second situation. If A and B agreed to give C a head start of 180 meter, so this is 180 meter. C will start from here, A and B from here. If they agreed to give C a head start of 180 meter, then C would have beaten B by 8 seconds. So C would have beaten B by 8 seconds. Okay. Now convert these relation into form of equations. I can write the relation as when B is completing 1080 meters, he'll take how much time? This much time. C will take 12 more seconds than B to cover this whole distance 1080 meter. So I can write this relation as 1080B C will take more time minus 1080B as 12 seconds. And from this second scenario, B is taking more time now because B has given 180 meter head start to C. So now here B is covering, or B takes how much? 8 seconds more than C to finish the race. So B is covering 1080 meters, the speed of B, and C is covering, because C is a head start of 180 meters. So now he is covering how much? 900 meters of length. So he will take this much time to cover 900 meters, 900 upon C, and it is equal to 8 seconds because C beats B. Now from these two equations, I can find the value of C. Just add these two equations. So B and B get cancelled, and this becomes 1080 minus 900, that is 180 upon C is 12 plus 8, 20, and C from here becomes 9 meter per second. I have the speed of C. Now I have to find, in that case, by how many seconds would A have beaten C? In this case, by how many seconds A would beat C? I have to find this. So from here, just observe one thing. B will beat C by 12 seconds and A is beating B by 18 seconds. So these 18 seconds have passed and C still has 12 seconds to complete the race. So I can say A will beat C by how much? 30 seconds, or 18 plus 12, 30 seconds. C will be 30 seconds behind A when A will complete the race. So I can write from here 1080C minus 1080A is equal to how much? 30 seconds. So from here I can find the speed of A also. So 9, when 1080 divided by 9, it becomes 120 minus 1080A is equal to 30, and A from here becomes, this is 90 divides this 0, so 12 meter per second. So speed of A becomes 12 meter per second. Now in this case, by how many seconds A would have beaten C? So C will take this much time minus 1080. A will take how much time? This much time. What is the difference? So this is 100 and this is how much? 90. So A will take or A will beat C by 10 seconds. That's the difference. Among the option, correct answer is B option, 10. Next question.